Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the autosave function on the DrawNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the My option at the lower right corner of the home screen. Click the settings icon at the upper right corner. And here you can find the 5th option, the autosave. And you can set to every 30 seconds, every 1 minute, 3, 5 or 10 minutes. Just select one, click that. Actually I use the every 1 minute option, but you can use the 3 minutes. Just click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.